Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and unique centerpiece ideas. All the ideas are very unique, attractive and so adorable. So watch the video till end. I hope you will love this video. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy.